Hello everyone, my name is Shreeya and I've been part of Rathi's Aspire Academy since 9th standard and I'm currently preparing for JEE with them. In class 10th, I had given the RAAISE scholarship exam and I would say it is a litmus test. I was among the top 5 during the examination and now that I'm into 5 to 6 months of JEE preparation, I can say that the results were extremely accurate. I'm doing well and among the top 3 in the RA JEE NEET batch. In JEE NEET preparation, I believe that teachers play the most important role than anything else. And so glad to say that our chemistry faculty, he teaches with so much of energy that now we're able to understand the real essence of science. Our physics faculty was a junior scientist at RAAISE and he comes up with various practical demonstrations which makes learning so much more fun and easy. Our maths faculty is an IIT Indore graduate. He always gives us a reality check, keeps us grounded and motivated. My most favorite part of the preparation is the app that we use for our daily practice papers and full length papers. It allows us to make customizable tests on chapters and subtopics, and after the test, it gives us a detailed analysis of each and every question, which makes us understand our strengths and weaknesses. At we're not only being prepared for JEE but for CET and board as well. And that's why I feel so grateful that I took the right decision at the right time. So I would suggest all of you to take the RACE test, not just for the generous scholarships, but also to get much more clarity for stream selection.